Hey, what's going on? It's Ontarian Hawkins here, the passive income guru. So today in this live video, I'm going to show you some technical analysis when it comes to trading the Forex market. And I'm going to show you the proper way to use the iMarketslive Harmonic scanner. I've actually been doing some heavy technical analysis, learning this skill. Now, am I an expert at Forex trading yet? No. Am I learning a lot and am I seeing the fruits of my labor? Absolutely, absolutely. So what I'm going to show you right now is what I would do when I do my technical analysis. And what I mean by technical analysis is you're actually marking up your charts and seeing where price is going to move next. Is it going to be more sellers in the market? Is it going to be more buyers in the market? And you're going to see the actual harmonic scanner in action. It's a very dynamic tool, and it's a good way to measure your results. So without further ado, let me go ahead and share my screen real quick, and we'll get down to it, folks. So here we go. All right, cool. All right, so go ahead, and this is where I do my technical analysis. A lot of traders actually do their technical analysis on TradingView. This is a nice platform. The other platform is MetaTrader 4, where you can just, you can see how the market is doing and vice versa, okay? So right now, what I like to do and what I've been doing repetitiously is, looking at when I come to my charts, and by the way, my favorite pair to trade is UJ for short, or USDJPY, the dollar versus the yen. And it moves very well, actually. So what I do in my technical analysis is I look at the higher time frame charts first to see if I can see some trends, if I can see areas of support and resistance. So right now I'm on the USD-JPY pair. Get this out of the way here. I'm on the USD-JPY pair, and I'm on the month chart. Okay, so what that means is each candle you see is 1 month. All right, and as you can see, we had a nice uptrend here. Well, for the last, looks like 1, 2, 3, 4. For the last over a year now, we had a pullback, okay, or a little downtrend, and then we have a we also have some more buyers coming into the market. Okay, now when I analyze this is what I like to do. I like to look at areas of support and resistance. Where is price respecting certain areas? Okay, and personally, and you'll hear a lot of other traders say this, they like to see price respecting certain areas 2 to 3 times. Okay, now if it respects that area, and I'm going to talk about that in just a second, if it respects that area those many times, it's probably going to turn the other direction. Now, is that a guarantee? No. Price could actually break through and reach higher or lower levels. However, from what I've seen so far, it has, when it respects these zones, which is support and resistance, then it tends to reverse. Okay, so let me show you what I'm talking about. I'm going to get my little tool here and show you. Okay, so as you can see right in here, let me start right here. Okay, so for example, right in here we have get an arrow here. Okay, so right here, I don't know why it's doing that. Okay, let me get rid of this here. I can just use my cursor. All right, so right in here, and then right in this area, and then some in here. These are what's called areas of support. Okay, and what's happened here is during this time, price has respected this area. So you can see my little dotted lines here. What did price do when it hit that point? Well, it bounced off, it came up, came back down again, retested that point, bounced off, came up, and it actually broke through this time. Okay, but as you can see, it touched it 1, 2, 3, and then got a fourth one over here before it actually went the other way. So what I'm saying here is usually when price respects a certain point like support, and then up here you have resistance. Okay, so think of support as your the ground beneath your feet that's supporting you, and resistance is you're trying to what's the best way I can explain it? Resistance is like pushing up weight above your head. Okay, you're trying to push past a certain limit. Okay, so that's resistance, like a ceiling. Okay, so as you can see, price hit the basement here, bounced up, came back down, respected it, bounced up, and then broke. And now it had a nice little uptrend. Now it's respecting that area again. You see that? And it bounced back up. Okay, now, so I analyze this stuff, and usually on my charts I just draw the lines and see, it's like a road map. Okay, now what I'm going to do is go down to the daily chart. Okay, actually let's look at the weekly. So weekly, you can see more of swings here, and what we just saw in the monthly you can see right here. Okay, so you see price respecting there on the support area right there, and then it eventually broke down, big rally down here, back up to support. Then actually it's testing that, it's respecting that zone again. Okay, let's go down to the daily. Okay, so look at this right here. So right here, price respected right in this area, these points. It hit it 1, 2, 3 times, and what did it do? It bounced up, came down here, bounced up, came down here, and it bounced up again. All right, now let's go down to the 4-hour chart. This is what I do. This is how I do my technical analysis here. So you see down here, price is respecting, and it bounced up, came, retraced a little bit, came back down to the same area, bounced up. Okay, now look at the areas of resistance right here. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, a lot of touches right here. Okay, this is the 4-hour chart. This is, as we go lower in the chart times, it's kind of like you're zooming in and seeing the big picture. Okay, that's how I like to look at it. All right, so right here you got these points up here as well. So price came up, bounced down, came up, respected that area, bounced down, respect these points. These are creating, little swings in the market. This is the language of the market. And when you start to understand these swings and these support and resistance zones, you can really start to understand how the market moves, and you can pretty much kind of predict where price is going to go after a while. Okay, so taking that into consideration with these swings right here, we know that it's respecting price in this zone right here. See if I can get another type of tool here to show you. Yeah, well, I'm not finding the one I want. So it's respecting this zone. So now that you do your, after you do your technical analysis, you come over here to like a harmonic scanner. Okay, you come over to a harmonic scanner, and you see right here we're on the USD JPY, same pair. It is what this pattern is called. This pattern is called the shark pattern. And as you can see, the swings that the market is creating. Now you see the support down here, price respecting down here, bouncing up, retracing, coming down here, respecting this zone right here. Okay. And these, you see these lines, these act as support and resistance. Support right here, resistance, got some resistance and support, resistance up here. So it hits resistance up here, bounce down. You know, this is the support, resistance. Got a little consolidation here, bounces down, comes to support, bounces up. Now, check this out. We're looking for since the market is on the uptrend on this is the 4-hour chart, okay? So if you come back over here to trading view, you see the uptrend that is on. Now look, check this out. Here's where it really comes together. So now it's coming up here. It's going to respect this zone again. Okay, we saw this zone. We saw this zone where price was respecting. Now what are we going to look for? We're going to look for sellers to come in the market and sell this strong, as the harmonic scanner is telling us that it's probably going to happen. I'm pretty sure it is, okay, because of the zones that it has been respecting. So up here, you can come here and you can look. You can put your entry right here. You can put this as a sell limit, because price is going to jump up, you know, hit that zone, and then it should shoot down. Okay, that's called. You can put a pending order into your trading app, or if whatever you have, and you can put it as an entry right here. Okay, give you the entry. You can take profit. Always take profit or take profit one. Now you can take, you know, if it hits profit, take profit one. Great. You know, you did good. Okay, so that's what we're looking for here. We're looking for it to bounce up here to this resistance and bounce down. And from what I see right now, I think it's going to do exactly just that, because of these zones the prices that has been respecting all this time. You see, zones. Then you got some support here, strong zones right here where price is respecting. Okay, so that is I guess in a nutshell what we have here at iMarketslive. This is just one of the tools that you get your hands on when you join. And folks, you know, I'm actually getting to a point where I'm getting used to marking up these charts and knowing exactly where price is going to go. It is fascinating. Now, what I usually do, I jump down for a good entry. I jump down to the 30-minute chart. And as you can see here, you have in a 30-minute chart, you can kind of zoom it in. Is what you're doing when you go to a lower chart. You're zooming in. So what I'm looking for here, is a little indecision candle from the buyer's portion, which is the green candles, indecision. And then I'm looking for a decision candle from the sellers. And then that's a great, that would be a great way to enter into the sale, okay, for the market to come down. And as you can see, price is respecting right here, bounced up, price respecting here, okay. You can see that all the way through. You see a nice little uptrend where the market is creating higher highs and higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. And that's a true trend right there, okay. But now, since price is respecting, boom, boom, it's respecting that area right there. And I'm pretty sure it's, you know, up here, it's probably going to come down and to those respective zones again. And, you know, it's just a roadmap. Okay. Once you learn this stuff, it becomes second nature. And I'm getting used to it. Support and resistance is a nice basic, you know, it's a basic skill that if you learn it, you can really see how the market really moves and price really moves. Price action is what they call it. So, all right. So thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully that made a lot of sense. If you got any questions, feel free to reach out to me. But if you want to learn this stuff, you want to learn Forex marketing, Forex trading, I'm saying marketing, so I'm always marketing, Forex trading, then this is the company to be with. Not only that, but we have other services and tools. We have swipe trades. If you don't have time to learn this stuff, you can use swipe trades, which is an app, and you can take signals from an expert trader who is very, very good. We also have Fusion Trader coming out. Very excited for that next week, where you can have professional traders who would trade your account hands-free, complete passive income. So we have something for everyone. The company is global, debt-free, and I'm excited to be a part of it to bring these skills, because you learn Forex trading, folks. Nobody can take that skill away from you. You can literally write your own paycheck every single day and compound your account. 2% a day. 2% a day is all I look for every single day. And over a year's time, depending on your deposit, you can be setting very, very well financially. Okay, so think about that. Don't let your money just sit in the bank or a savings account. Put it to work, and let me show you how to do just that. All right. Click the link below to get started. There's a link to get more information about iMarkets Live. And if you got questions, reach out to me personally. I'm on Facebook. You can call me, and I look forward to helping you soon. All right. So take care. God bless. Talk to you soon. Enjoy your weekend.